That's the key.
So
right there.
why do I do that? Like, that's a principle I have. Why? Because, listen, I had scoliosis. When I was 14 years old, I was hospitalized. I had a surgery, over a $200,000 surgery, $250,000 surgery in Children's Hospital. So for me, being disabled is not something that someone told me. I was there. So living benefits for me in a life insurance policy are the number 1 priority. So I said, you know, how are we going to do that? I'm like, well, then I started realizing, I'm like, you know what? They're giving me 110% comp, but they mainly want me to write with a carrier that doesn't provide living benefits in California.
That's right.
And if I want to make that 110%, then I have to write with a carrier that doesn't have the best products. And you can argue.
And they're really expensive.
They're expensive. I'm like,
one of the
and
most
on top of
expensive
this,
out
listen, I started the Hispanic market. Majority of it, right? I'm like, they don't take agents or clients with ITIN.
Ooh, bad form. Bad form company out there, whoever you are.
Right.
I'm not going to mention your name, but man. Well, and especially when there's so many other companies that are doing it.
Right,
Why? You know, why would you deny someone? Why would you deny yourself business, number one? Like,
Right.
are you in this, you know, are you here to make money or what?
Yeah.
But there's a family that needs coverage and needs protection. The only thing that makes them any different from their neighbor or myself or anyone else, it's just a piece of paper that says they're allowed to be here or something. Like, that doesn't make any sense to me.
Yeah.
Because it's still insuring a life. It doesn't change anything from a risk perspective or anything like that. So I think that's where these companies are losing a lot or leaving a lot of money on the table and not serving a huge portion of the population.
Yeah, I agree with you.
That's in need of their services. They need this stuff. The Hispanic market and a lot of the minorities, you know, populations and segments of the populations, like, they don't plan financially. They need things like cash value, you know, permanent life insurance that will help them save money because they don't invest. They're not smart with their money. So I think these companies could be helping America, helping themselves, helping the communities if they serve them. You know what I mean?
And it's all about that, right?
Yeah.
So it's all about